Hey guys, Rick Personas here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Ilkay Sencan. He normally releases track on Lithuania HQ, so it's gonna be in that style. So the final result will sound like this. So now let's dive into the remake, where we're making it from scratch. So we sample the kick and a clap from the original track, sounding like this. And then we have the bass line sounding like this. So that sounds quite distorted. So we're gonna go for that kind of sound. So selecting the preset, saw wave for oscillator A. Lower down 2 octaves. Sounding like this. Square wave for oscillator B to add some more harmonics to the sounds. Lower down 1 octave and enable the filter. So with these kind of bass lines you want to go for the basic shapes kind of waves there, what's a saw, square, sine wave, because that gives a more analog kind of sound to it. So we're gonna go for the low 24. Cut front here, some drive, fatness. And shape envelope 1 like this. Sustain all the way down. Right to the cutoff. Till around here. Then we're gonna shape oscillator B a bit more. We're gonna add some more unisons all the way up. Slightly detune it. To add some more higher end harmonic to the sound. We're gonna use the sync as well, just to add some more distorted harmonics. Just around here. Then we're gonna dive in effects. Some hyper. Some distortion. We're gonna use a hard clip. Again to add those higher harmonics. Just like this, lower down the must for a little bit. Now we're gonna EQ the sound. Put envelope 2 to the gain. We need to shape envelope 2 a little bit more. The K needs to be down to around here. Just like this. Now we're gonna compress the sound with a slow attack and give the sound some gain back. Shape the filter a little bit more, the record down a little bit. And that's it for bass sounds. So altogether the sounds sound like this. And that's it for the Ilkay Sencan video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more and the subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next videos.